Really? Can you see me?
Yeah.
Not real happy about it.
So why do we have another 80s Commodore in the shed?
Well, the 173J has always had plans of being road registered, but a recent trip, well probably last year actually, we went racing and started to develop a bit of a miss. Probably didn't help the fuel cart defender that I installed and nothing else. So, 173J, which is currently 1J powered, is getting a 2J.
Much like the old power plant,
Just bigger.
just more better.
Double the J's.
All of the J's.
Nice.
So, and we're going to road register it as well, so should be a good thing.
And go fast.
Well, the idea is one day, like 700 horsepower or something. So whatever the A340 and
Nice.
full one will handle.
Yeah, well, we all know that A340s are useless. You go straight to a turbo 400, don't you?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, righto. Well, let's see. Let's test that theory.
Might link the breather to the coolant passage.
Nice. That's going to be... I think that's the way you do it. I've seen professionals do it that way.
All the milkshakes bring the boys to the yard.
That's right.
A milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and their life is better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours.
Nice. Fucking oh, it's a good start.
Yeah. That's how we started the last one, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's exactly how
Is
we
it
started
like
the last
just
one.
looking up at us now?
No, it's like